Apprentice connects and empowers teams from every corner of the world in real time. With Tandem, our global collaboration tool, operate with confidence, knowing that the power of this platform comes from being able to collaborate hands-free, in-suite, with someone out of suite. Connect with an SME anywhere in the world as you harness the power of augmented reality to troubleshoot together, reducing confusion and downtime. Navigate through complex situations with language-independent AR tools that make communication simple, clear, and easy. Need eyes in suite, even from afar? Remote vendors can access Apprentice instantly from any device, anywhere. See what your operators see and be there during critical situations. From small biotechs to multinational organizations, Tandem will elevate your teams across the globe.